Just talk to it.
Talk to it?
Yeah, just say...
well, there's no cracking.
No cracking in the panel, no delamination.
Delamination.
Which means the e-glass hasn't come away from the core in any way, shape or form.
The core has absorbed all of the impact.
Yeah.
That's impressive.
So if you took that, if that was the skin of a mod pod, and somebody who was intent on vandalising it came along with a great big, well, what he hit it with was that sledgehammer, basically you ain't going to get in. Oh.
What'll happen?
I mean, that's the sort of